So let's begin with our next video, which is strings in Python. So let's see what are strings, how strings we can store it. So now strings in Python. String in Python are surrounded by either single quotation marks or double quotation marks. So it is saying like strings are basically surrounded by single quotation. We need to it is compulsory that we need to quotation by single, and we need to double quote whenever we are printing in string. As you can see, hello with a single strings and a hello with a double string are same in Python, they are same. So strings, as we can see how it is printing, print with a parenthesis, and we are storing in it for hello world, and now it is giving us a very easy of the hello world. So let's go with the Python Jupyter notebook and practice is, let's see what we are. So let's see new, and with the Python 3. So let's start. Now I will show you the three methods we can store the strings. So first method is like we can store the strings by using double quotation by giving in it hello world. So first shift plus enter, it will give you hello world. Now the second method is by giving single quotation h see hello world. So now what it will give, it will give you the same output. So we can use single quotation, double quotation. So now the last print by giving print, and with the double quotation pr or the single quotation hello world. So now see, it is printing us the value. So these are the three methods. This is the method one. So these are the method for printing the strings. We can print, but it compulsory it need to be in double quotation or single quotation, or print in the parenthesis with the single or double quotation. So now these are the strings. So we can store my world. See, it is printing me Python. I would say Python is very easy, so it will give me the output. And help, welcome here where Python teaching is very easy. So run it, so it will give you. Now we can store the values in a container, as same as we have stored the values in the variables. So same method what we have did, we have taken the container name or the variable name or the container. We are giving the left side the container name and the right side the what we want to print. Like here I want to print hello world. So now what we can do, we need to shift plus run. So as I want to see the output, I will type the I will type the I will type the I will type the container name or the variable name. So shift plus enter, it will give me the variable. So now the first topic we will learn is indexing in indexing in strings. So let's begin. So indexing in strings, what basically does is see here, indexing of strings, indexing to retrieve an element we use to index or operator. Means we are basically assigning a word. Like now here we are assigning a word called Python, Python. So what does Python does? It assigns the indexing, like it start from 0 and end it with where n value ends. Here the end value is 5. So now what it does, 0, 1, 2, it will take 3, h will take 4, o will take, and n will take 5. So here we are basically assigning the words in a, like, now if I want to call the 0 p, I want to call the p, so I need to call it by 0, the variable name and the 0, it will give me the p. Then I need to call the y, then I need to, same as it is, I need to call, take the variable in the brackets, I need to take the 1, then it will call the y. So stringing on indexing is so easy. So let's practice and I will show how it works in Python. So Jupyter Notebook I have opened. So as I said, I have taken a hello world. Now for this, I said we need to take a variable or container name. After that, we need to take the brackets. In that brackets, we need to assign a, we need to take the index names. Like indexing ways is starts from 0. Like here, 0 is h, E is 1, L is 2, L is 3, O is 4. Like this, so on till D. It will take and act like indexing. So now, if I want to call the 0, what is in the place of 0? It will tell us H. So this is the way of indexing. Like a container name with the brackets, we need to call anything. Like 4, I am saying it is saying O. A with the bracket 5. 5 basically here, see, space is also take an index. So if I take here, it will say space. We have space here, it will say. So now this is the positive indexing. Like a is equals to, a is 1, so it will give me e, a is 2, it will give me l. So this is the positive indexing. Now reverse indexing or negative indexing, what it does, right? Here h is 0, right? So it will take negative values from the d. Like d is -1, as negative indexing or reverse indexing starts from -1, will not start from 0, as basically because 0 starts from here, positive one. So now minus d, d is -1, l is -2, r is -3. Like this, the way Python acts as indexing. So it is very easy. In the, from the left side to right side, it will take positive indexing. So like this, see, like this, positive indexing is nothing but like h, e, l, l, like it will take 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is positive indexing. Now negative indexing is like d, it will take -1, l, it will take -2, -3, -4, like this, so on it will take. So negative indexing is from right to left, and the positive indexing is from right to left. Sorry, left to right. So then I want to call a -1. What would I expect? Like here we will see we would expect d, because in the place of -1 we have d. So for running it, we will get d. So after now d -2, what it will get? L. A is equals to -3, what will get? R. So as you can see here, d is -1, l is -2, r is -3. So as you can see, -1 is d, -2 is l, -3 is r. So this is the way of giving the indexing. In another video, we will see it how to do slicing and concatenating of strings.